Good morning, students. Hope you are staying home and staying safe. So, as I told you about safety measures to be taken to avoid yourself, to keep yourself safe from coronavirus, you have to keep yourself clean, wash your hands every 2 hours for 20 seconds, or you can use the alcohol-based hand sanitizers. Okay, wear your mask whenever you go outside. Maintain social distancing. And coronavirus affect the people who has less immune system. So I'll tell you some of the vitamin C rich foods which will improve your immune system. Some of the fruits like oranges, sweet lime, pineapple, fresh berries, papaya, kiwi, guava, tomatoes. You can eat these fruits to improve your immune system. And some of the vegetables, I will name it now: carrots, beetroot, spinach, cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, eggplant or brinjal, capsicum or bell peppers. And some of the nuts like almonds and walnuts. Almonds can be soaked overnight and it can be eaten in the morning. Next, some of the liquid items like green tea, lemon tea, garlic tea, ginger tea and turmeric tea can also be taken. So you have to take 2.5 to 3.5 liters of liquids every day. It can be a plain water, coconut water, green tea, freshly homemade vitamin C fruit juices, milk or buttermilk. Please try to include the above mentioned immunity boosting foods in your daily diet. Hope you are clear with it. Now let's go to our class. Okay, now let's start with a new chapter, where to look from. Okay, so this contains a story where a teacher asks the children to draw the car. Okay, so everybody were drawing the car and showing it to the teacher. So everybody were drawing a car in a different way. When next day the students show the cars to the teachers. Okay, now see Adhiraj and Anshul's drawing here. Okay, they were very excited, but Anshul was started laughing by seeing Dheeraj's drawing of a car. Why he was laughing? Because it looked like a small box inside a big box. Okay, but Dheeraj was saying, I was looking the car from the terrace. Okay, so what is very funny about this thing? Can you tell me what is very funny about this thing? Because they both were looking at the same car but in a different view. They had a different view. Dheeraj was looking at from the terrace, and Anshul was looking at it from the side. Okay, so what we can say is the objects will be same, only the view will be different. Okay, Dheeraj was looking at the car from the top, so we call it as top view. Anshul was looking at the car from the side, so we call it as side view. Okay, children? Okay. Now let's see some of the questions below. Have you looked at the things from different sides? You think, have you ever looked at the things from different side? Yes. Do they look the same or different? I hope it will look different only for you all. Okay. So look at the picture drawn here. How does the table look from the side? And which picture feed from the top? Now see the picture of a table. Both the tables are same, but the view is different. The first one, it is the same table, but it is a side view of the table. The second one is the top view of a table. Right? So some of the pictures are drawn below here. Imagine how these things will look if you see from the top. The first one is what? Pressure cooker, a sandal, a watermelon and a table. So will they look like this from the top? Can you see the pictures down? Pressure cooker, a sandal, a watermelon and a table. Will that look like this from the top? Yes. So now let's go to the practice time. Okay. A cat is peeping into a classroom. Can you help the cat to find out where the teacher is? Where the teacher is? It is in front of the cat. That means it is looking at the classroom from front. What is this front? Is it looking at side view? We were talking about side view and top view. What is this front view? You can see the things from front also, right? Not only from the side, not only from the top. So now cat is looking at the teacher from the front. Okay, it is having a front view of a teacher. Okay, now let's see the second question. Here are some pictures shown here. Find out where you have to look to these things this way. See the first picture, that is a staircase. Second picture is also a staircase. Both are the same staircase, but it is looking different because they are viewed in a different way. The first staircase is looked from the side. The second staircase is looked from the front. Yes, so we are going to learn one more view, that is front view. Okay, we can see the things in three different views. One is front, side and top. Now you all know what is the third picture. It is a table. What is the view of a table? Top view. Next one, it is a chair. Chair is, what is the view of the chair? It is from side, yes. The pencil, it is from top actually. Bus is from the side. So first staircase is the side view, second one is the front view, third one is the table, it is a top view, fourth one, the chair, it is looking from the side. We are looking the chair from the side view, that is a side view. Next, the pencil, that is a top view. The bus is in the side view. Okay. So, will you draw the top view of, see the third question. Will you draw the top views of few things and ask your friends to guess what they are? Yes, you have to draw 5 things in your notebook which can be looked from the top. It can be anything. You can look around you. It can be any object around you. Okay, it can be a car, it can be an auto, it can be a bus, it can be a lorry, it can be a scooter, it can be anything, cycle. Okay, or around your house, whichever the things you can see around your house, that can also be drawn. Only 5 things you have to draw from its top view. Okay, now let's go to the second page, third page. Okay, so now we all are clear with the views, I think so, of an object. Now let's come to the next topic. What is this? It's a rangoli. Have you ever seen a rangoli? Okay, now 2 friends are talking. He's asking Meenakshi, have you ever made a rangoli? My friend Meenakshi makes beautiful flower patterns. So Meenakshi is saying, I am Meenakshi, I belong to Tamil Nadu. We make kolam patterns. Every morning they are made using dots. Have you seen this type of rangolis? Yes, you do. Now let's see, you can also try and use these dots given below to make patterns. 2 examples have been drawn here. So now see, they have drawn some rangoli patterns using dots. Will you be able to draw some other patterns in the given grid? They have given you already some dot grids. Okay. Now let's go to the next page. See, make your patterns yourselves. Now see the patterns given here. Copy the shapes on the dots grid. Note that some lines in the shapes are straight and some are not. See, they have drawn some pattern. What do you mean by pattern? If something gets repeated, the same design, if it gets repeated, we call it as patterns. So see these patterns here. Some are drawn using straight lines, some are drawn using curved lines. But all these makes a pattern. So they have given you some dotted grids down. You have to make the same design again in the given dotted grid. Okay. Next page, if you see. Okay. Now use the dot grid given below to draw your own designs and shapes. Okay. Will you draw your own designs and shapes in the given dot grid? Yes. Now see the third question here. Complete these figures to make squares and rectangles. So you have to make some of the shapes. You have to complete these figures. See the first figure. What can be made using that first one? It can be a rectangle. Yes. It can be first one can be a rectangle. Yes. It can be a rectangle. Second one, it can be a triangle. Third one can be a square. Fourth one can also be a square. Fifth one will be a rectangle. Sixth one can be a square, can be a triangle also. Yes. Now let's move to the next page. Okay. So they have given you one dotted grid. They are asking you to draw some of the figures given. What is they asking you to draw? A kite, a leaf, a flower, a boat, a star, and a pot. I'll show you how to draw these things using this dotted grid. Now, use the kite. So let's join the dots and make a kite. Yes, children? Yes. Is it looking like a kite? Yes. Now shall we draw a leaf here by joining these dotted grids? Yes. Yes. Can you see a leaf here? Yes, children. And we can draw a star. How can you draw a star? First you have to draw a triangle. And again one more triangle. When you draw it, please use your scale and draw the square lines. Okay, children? Okay, can we make a flower here? Yes, turn this dots and join one more dot, one more here, and some more here, and you can make a flag here. Understood, children? Okay, let's go to the next page. Okay, now we are going to see a story. You all like the story, no? Yes. Now tit for tat. So you know the meaning for tit for tat? If you don't know, after the story you will clearly understand. Now let's see one by one. One day Amina met a painter. Amina, a girl, she's meeting a painter. She's asking, can you make my picture? Yes. He's telling, yes, sure, I will charge you rupees 200 for it. So after a while, the painter showed her the picture. Amina, how do you like it? She's asking. She got the picture and she saw it and asking, but this is only half of the picture. Where is the other half? She's asking. The other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror to get the complete picture, he's telling. And he's asking for the money also. So Amina is shocked now. What is she saying? Amina gave him 100 rupee note. How much he asked for? He asked for rupees 200, right? But she's giving only half of money to him. The other half is exactly the same, she's telling. So just put a mirror next to the note to get the full money. And she's laughing. No, that means whatever you do, it will reflect to you. That is meant by tit for tat. So he gave only half of it, and she is also giving only half of the money to him. Right? Every action is having equal reaction. Now, what do you understand from the story? Story is nice. You got the moral of the story, and everything is right. What do you understand from the story? So you are understanding about mirror halves. Okay, children. We'll continue about the mirror halves in the next class. Okay. So now shall we have a quick recap of the class, whatever we had learned today? Okay. What we learned first, we were learning about different views of objects. What are those three views? Front view, top view and side view. Then we learned about Rangoli patterns. Okay. And it's made through the dot grids. We have seen some of the patterns using curved lines and some of the patterns using straight lines. Okay. Next we learned some of the shapes which can be drawn using the dot grid. Okay, children? And we heard a story also. And we had a moral also. So every action has equal and opposite reaction. Okay, children? Let's continue the class in the next session. Thank you.